So using cotton yarn and 2.5 millimeter hook, I'm gonna start with making a magic loop, and I'm gonna chain 15. In the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet in every stitch. For row 2, 3 and 4, I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet together in the first 2 stitches, 1 single crochet in every stitch, and 2 single crochet together at the end of the row as well for the next 3 rows. Now from this row till row 15, so counting from 1 to 15, I'm gonna chain 1 single crochet in every stitch for the next 15 rows. Now shaping the end of the E again, I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch, and 2 single crochet at the end of the row as well. I'm gonna repeat that 3 more times, total of 3 times including this row. And that's it, you can fasten off. This is how you make an E letter, as easy as it is. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put it in the comment section. And until next time, take care, bye bye.